Okay children, now we are studying that two different word, but when the two different word joins to one word, it gives an individual meaning, isn't it? For example, I have told you arm. Arm means this is a arm, isn't it? This is a chair, chair, chair. This is having a different meaning. Arm having a different meaning and the chair is you used to sit, isn't it? They both are different meaning, but when it comes same, it gives a other different meaning, isn't it? Okay, this is the syllables. Syllables means we want to divide the word and we want to read it. Okay, the syllables will help you to read the word very correctly. Okay, if it is the word will be a three-letter word. If for example, yar, A I R, yar means you can easily read the word by using the phonic sound a, I, r, air. Air. You can use a phonetic sound, you can read it easily. Okay, for example, if it is a 6-letter or 8-letter word, you can get struggle. Isn't it children? You get struggle. So the syllables will help you to divide the word into 2 or 3 or 4, that is depending upon the given word. After dividing the word, we can easily pronounce the word correctly. Okay, if you are not understand, don't worry. I will tell you what is a syllable and how to divide it. Okay, for example, just take this policeman. Okay, just take this policeman. If you divide it into 2, we have 2 syllables. 2 syllables means if you P O L I C E, police man, M A N. This is having a 2 syllables. How we having a 2 syllables? Because if you divide it into 2 like this, the police having a, this is a police. Police having a meaning, and the man also having a meaning. Police man. So it is a 2 syllable word. Okay. Okay. Next, I will tell you. Telephone. Okay. Let's see the telephone. This is a tele. Tele. It's a having a meaning. Telephone having a 2 syllables. Tele. Tele. Okay. And next word, this is camera, camera, and manage, MAN, man, age, age, and this is banana, banana. Pepper, tender, letter, house. Okay. Okay, this is jacket. Okay, listen. So far we have seen the 2 syllable. We just divided into 2 syllable. And again I'm telling J-A-C, jacket, K-E-T, ket, jacket. This is P-O-L-I-C-E, police man, M-A-N, man. Okay, this is tender or TH. We can divide it into T, under. We can divide it out like this also. Under. TH, under means down, isn't it? U-N-D-E-R, under. And this is telephone. If you read it telephone, then if you divide it into 2 syllables, it's having a 2 syllables, T-E-L-E, telephone, P-H-O-N-E phone. And this is letter, L-E-T, first syllable, and the second syllable is cher, T-E-R, cher. And this is house, H-O-H, U-S-E, use, house. And this is camera, C-A-M, cam, era, E-R-A, era. And this is pep, P-E-P, pepper, P-E-R, pepper. And this is manage, M-A-N, man, age, A-G-E, manage. Okay, this is banana, 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 banana. And this is P-O-C, pork, ket, K-E-T, ket. Okay, listen here, this is butterfly. Okay, butter, this is a two syllable having, butter, B-U-T-T-E-R, butter, fly, F-L-Y, fly. Okay children, listen it carefully. Here the two syllable words were given, we have divided into two syllable. Okay, so if for example, this is also having a two syllable, R-A, ra, dish, dish, dish means having a different, dish. Okay, the travel does not have a two syllable, perfect does not have it, winter does not have it, queen does not have it, three does not have the two syllable word. These are the two syllable word. If you divide it into two, it having an individual meaning. The pole is having an individual meaning and the man having a individual meaning. If the two word gets joined together, it have another meaning, isn't it? The police is a common word to call the cop, isn't it? The man is a common word to call the grown-up boys. Okay, but it joins together, it gives the meaning of police man. Okay, okay, listen it carefully. I'm telling this. Telephone, tele means having its individual meaning, like a television, telecast. Okay, tele means showing. So telephone, phone having its individual meaning. This is a telephone. Okay, this is camera, cam means a short form of cam, era means it's a period, era. And this is butterfly, butter, you know the butter you will use to eat butter. Okay, you can use it with the bread. Yeah, you will enjoy with bread and butter, I know. Okay, B-U-T-T-E-R, butterfly. So the butter having the different meaning and the fly also having the different meaning. Okay, and listen here, this is a man, age. Okay, M-A-N, man. Man means the grown up boys we will use to say it's a man. Okay, then age. What? How old are you? You ask, your parents and your teachers and your relatives and your friend will ask, how old are you? You will tell your age, 3, 4, 5. Okay, that is the age. You are going to tell the age, but it will join this man, age. It will combine together and tell the different meaning, to manage something. Okay, for example, in the office there will be a manager. The manager will manage the all works. Okay children, okay, now let's circle the two syllable word. We just divided the two syllable word and I told you the different meaning of the two syllables. And now we are going to circle the word that have the two syllables. Okay, now you are going to tell me. I am not going to tell you because I have told you how many words are two syllables word. Okay, tell me. Is the first one is policeman. Very good. Jacket, telephone, under, letter, use, camera. You can still find it out 5 to 4 letters. Manage, very good. And the next one, yes, butterfly. Yes, now we move to this side, having a queen, not, it does not have a 2. If we divide it into Q, Q, U, E, Q, yen, yen is not having any particular meaning, yen, not. If we 3, TH, re, re not having any individual meaning. For example, here we can syllable, win. WN, win. Win means having a different meaning, isn't it? It's having a 2 syllable. This is a 1 syllable and this is a 2 syllable. Win means you are winning in something, some race, isn't it? Winter. This is a having a 2 syllable. We can take it. But see here, this is a travel. If you divide it into 2, tra. What is the meaning for tra and will? No, it's not having a different individual meaning. So we cannot divide it into 2. Okay. So, okay, we'll divide it into 2, banana. But it's having a 3 syllable. I think it's having a 3 syllable. Ba-na-na. It's having a 3 syllable. We does not consider as a 2 syllables. Next, this is a pocket. Okay, we can consider pocket. Okay, children. So, these are the 2 syllables word. Okay, so usage of 2 syllable word is, it is very easy while you are reading the long word. Okay, I have told you already. If it is short word like arm, okay, you can read this arm by using the phonetic sound. Arm. You can read it with using a phonetic sound. For example, like a telephone they given, if you use that phonetic sound, t, li, f, h, n, telephone. It's very hard to use a phonic sound when the word is get larger. So to avoid that confusion, they divided the syllables. Okay, I told you how to divide the syllables. If you divide it as a syllable, then you will read, then you can get the correct spelling. Telephone. Okay, if you divide it into 2, you can get the correct pronunciation also. This is the usage of syllables. Okay, now let's do the other syllable exercise. You can understand very betterly.